Hey everybody, it's Vanessa. Today I'm going to do a quick review for the Ottle water bottle. First off, I want to thank the seller for sending me this so that I can create a review for you to help you make an informed purchasing decision. So this is the 24-ounce Cove Cruiser style, and I've got it in the pattern Classic Waves. It's super cute, and the water bottle itself is hot pink. I love that it's a stainless steel water bottle and it's double wall insulated, so it should keep your drinks really cold for a long time. One thing that really stood out to me about this was that there's a really nice locking mechanism right here. You can see that it's right now it's in the lock position, so if I press on the button in the back, the straw will not open no matter what. You have to slide this open and it clicks out to be unlocked, and then once you press it, it will pop open. I love that the straw is silicone and it's not a hard plastic, so it feels so much better when you're drinking from it. I'm going to go ahead and toss some ice in it, and I'll be back in a few hours to show you how well it works. So this is the ice that I put in the water bottle. I'm going to go ahead and top it off with water, and then I'm going to send it to school with my daughter, so she'll be drinking from it all day, and I'll show you what the ice looks like when she gets home. So this is what the ice looks like after my daughter has had water in it all day. She drank almost all of her water, and it's down to just this little bit in here. You can see that there's still a good amount of ice left in there, and this is after 6 hours of being out and drinking from it. Overall, this water bottle is amazing. It works really great, and I would definitely recommend it.